The former opposition Citizen Coalition for Change leader Nelson Chamisa has announced plans to introduce a comprehensive citizen affairs plan aimed at addressing Zimbabwe's brain drain and ensuring the educational achievements translate to tangible growth and prosperity. Sanapinda mashoko anoona Nelson Chamisa anachita aiwa the ruling party hapana chairi kumboita kana nemayouths, hapana kana chairi kumboita needucation. Vakomana vari kungograduata but what they are bearing hapana. Sanapinda mashoko atikona Nelson Chamisa achiraise from the dead. Ndipo subscribe wala icon on the bell icon. Mukunyarara kwake anongoya achidonha zvakatora mashoko ekuti it will assign a national identity, social security, citizen number and voter registration identification to rich citizens, triggering activation upon completion of testing and qualification. In a statement yesterday, Chamisa said his government would ensure that the job market was ready to receive graduates with ideal opportunities, addressing the issue of joblessness among trained professionals. Through this level of monitoring and the relationship with other data across the economic and social sectors, there is an opportunity to ensure when each student graduates with a qualification, the job market is ready to receive them with the most ideal opportunity best placed to move forward our country's transformational and developmental needs. Mashoko atokana opposition leader Nelson Chamisa atora mashoko kuti aiwa toda kugadzira a plan yekuti aiwa magraduates kana achitongobva zvavo unograduate vanosvika the economy yakavamirira, the industry yakavamirira, vakomana makatomirirwa pabasa uye mupinde pajuti. Zvatiri kuona kuti the ruling party iri kuzvikonewa, iri kukonewa kuisa employment munyika yeZimbabwe. Zvatiri kuona kuti izvezvi more than 6,000 magraduates akagraduata paweekend apo, pana kana mumwe chete zvake apinda basa. Tuze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Abvina kumisection medu, subscribe, like and turn on the bell icon.